It's so cute. He's wearing a t-shirt and everything. Oh my god. Hey, what's going on, guys? Correct here, and I am just to tell you that I know I'm wearing goggles, but then my hair looks super swaggy, so I'm gonna not wear them. Okay, so yeah, if you didn't know, my Doge is back, and yeah, and I am doing a video on my, if you can't tell by the title, I hate how they do that. Like, you'll never believe what we just did, and then it says in the title. Like the video or comment down below if you like get me, if you get me. Okay, so I'm doing a video about my whistling, and so here we go. I think these are bird calls, but I don't know what type of birds they are. Just ready for the magical stuff. Okay, so here are my whistles. I'm not gonna tell you how to do this because I'm gonna, if I get 10 likes on my other one, which is pretty impossible because I don't want to give away the secret. And if I get 2 more subscribers and a comment for 1 comment, so 10 likes, 2 more subscribers, and 1 comment telling me to show you how to do it, then I'll do it. But otherwise, no. So the first one. Second one. Why not? Just think of that. Now we're going to the second one. Third one. Yeah. And also. And this is the very last one. I know this is kind of a short video, but the other one's longer, so you better work on it. Like two more subscribers, 1 comment, and 10 likes. This one's kind of hard to do. Oh yeah. By the way, I forgot to, because that one's too hard. This new series is called The Weird Talent Show, and it's gonna be pronounced WTS for the Weird Talent Show. And so yeah, I hope you like the video, and remember the competition: 10 likes, 2 subscribers, 1 comment, and then I'll show you how to do it. So bye.